start out today. Doing pretty dandy myself. Sorry it's been a little while since I made my last video, but just been super busy, a whole lot going on. So I'm here and I'm blasting another video. I also have my special guest star, MeowYun. And then little Luna Chan here just keeps rolling around in this stuff, so hopefully she doesn't get her fur and everything. Oh, hello. Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing our monthly MunchPak. It has been a little while since our last one, and this is the one for July. Yeah. And then we have, like I said, we had Roxanne, Nick, and what is that guy? Oh, 3 Roxanne. So let's see.
See if we got Roxanne again.
I know, right? This will be our 5th one. So let's pop this bad boy open here.
Luna.
Alright. Trying to spare you my Herculean strength.
I thought you had scissors.
Not in here. Wow, this is extraordinary. Extraordinary. Golly. Alright. Out of the way, Luna. Alright, so open it up. We got Ronnie. Ronnie, I don't know. That's a new guy, so we'll see how Ronnie does here. Alright, so we're like as always, we're going to take stuff out, show you, talk about it a little bit, and then we'll taste test some of the more interesting things.
Okay, this is a cheese snack from Colombia. It's La Nina I'm not gonna say it. Savory and cheesy ring-shaped potato snacks. These look pretty good. They look like round Cheez-Its or something. Or they sound like round Cheez-Its.
Sweet, let's take a look. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Alright. Next. Yeah, ridiculous. Next one is Chili Chatka, which is Kakura Red Chili Chatka Crunchy Dal Corn Rice Snack packed with chili spices and flavor from India.
Ooh. They look like Cheetos.
Yeah, they do.
Indian Cheetos. Ooh, we've had these before. We've gotten this in another box before too, actually. This koalas march.
They're really tasty.
These are from Thailand. They are crunchy koala-shaped cookies filled with sweet chocolate cream. We've had these a lot.
Yeah. So we'll put that on the not trying thing because we'll just be eating those later. So this looks interesting. What in the world?
Mango?
What is this? It is Slaps Lollipop.
Oh, it is mango.
Yeah, it's a thin and foldable mango flavored lollipop from Mexico. And it even talks on there in the back there about folding different shapes and stuff. It's
so weird.
Really not that bad for you, then. I'm actually surprised. We'll definitely be trying that.
That's so weird. It kind of looks like a potato.
Yeah, it does.
That's so weird.
So weird.
Next one. Ooh. Bone Art Sweeties. Chewy candy from Turkey. They are chewy, individually wrapped fruity candies. They're watermelon and melon pineapple.
Ooh.
These look good.
They sound good. I like them.
They look like Starburst or something.
Don't they look like those one high chews as well?
Yeah, they look like high chews from Japan or China.
Next one is Mezzo Mixed Soda. Smooth and sweet cola mixed with orange flavor from Germany, actually. Interesting.
Orange soda, basically?
But
not. It's like orange flavored Coke. Kind of like it sounds like it's going to be like vanilla Coke, but with orange. And it's made by Coca-Cola.
Yeah, what do you
it's owned by Coca-Cola.
Alright, so maybe they have a little bit of their Coke flavor. What we got next?
Next one is Nestle Cocoa Set. Giant crunchy wafers filled with sweet and rich coconut cream from Colombia.
Ooh.
You don't like coconut. What do you mean, ooh?
I don't know why I said that.
Next one.
That was dumb. I really don't like coconut, actually. I have no idea. Ooh. Sour candy dough.
Ooh.
Face twister sour candy dough. Moldable blue raspberry, lemon, green apple, strawberry sour candy from China. It's like kind of like taffy, actually. It's kind of like taffy.
Play with it or something.
Yeah.
You can make little shapes. Like edible Play-Doh.
Weird.
There's a lot in here, I
There
feel
is,
like.
yeah.
This is Happy Cow Cream Cheese Waffles. Soft and chewy butter waffles with rich cream cheese-like filling from Russia.
Ooh, that does sound good.
We always get waffles.
We do get waffles a lot, but you can actually customize your boxes once you order these to anything if you like, more gummies, more drinks, whatever. I haven't customized mine because I enjoy seeing what these fellas and ladies change around for us. So, ooh, these are Canal's Mini Icy Cherry Sour, small chewy cherry flavored candies with a sour kick from Mexico. And you guys recognize the little guy from the ices that you always get like at the store and whatnot. Yeah.
And the last one is Ricolino Cranky Chocolate Cornflakes. Crunchy and crisp cornflakes covered with milk chocolate from Mexico.
Oh wow, that sounds kind of tasty.
Ooh.
Alright, so let's bust through and try some of these to get this out of the way here.
What do you want to try first?
You pick.
Oh. Let's try these cheese rings. They
Hope you
sound,
pick that.
they sound interesting. So, okay. Real cheese, baked, not fried, and no preservatives.
Oh, nice.
The U.S. is the only one who's put preservatives in everything.
And MeowYun's been going to the gym lately, so as you can see, she can tear packages pretty easily.
Not as cheesy as I thought they'd be.
They're pretty flavorless. Well,
I'm getting some cheese in there.
there's a subtle cheese, yeah. Not that great,
Cheese
though.
tanginess.
Yeah. I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Nah, I think I'll pass
It's
on
kind
that
of
one.
I don't know.
I don't like it.
It's like an under-seasoned cheese puff.
Yeah, that's a really good, yeah, it's a great way down. What do you think, Luna?
You want to try that cow, huh?
Yeah, I really want to try this waffle here, so I might have to have her open this one. Oh. Alright. Oh, that smells delightful. I think I'm gonna buy that so we don't waste more than one.
I'm trying to smell it now.
Oh. That's really good.
It's not bad.
It's a lot better than some of the other waffle things we've had. A lot of the other waffle ones have been too soft. This has just enough bite to it.
Not bad.
I definitely like that. I'll eat that later. Save the rest of these. Oh, that makes a good aftertaste.
You guys should try these, the chewy candies.
Alright. Probably should do just one each, I think.
Well, we'll just split one.
Alright. I kind of want to do the not watermelon one.
The
Melon.
melon pineapple.
Yeah.
I think it's this green one. Yeah. Doesn't have a smell.
Really? It's very faint. It's there.
Yeah.
He's gonna do a little
Ooh,
twist.
it's like a toucan color.
That's cool.
Ooh.
Looks like butter.
There you go. It's sticky.
I should have had her bite it. There we go.
Oh, now I smell it.
Ooh. That tastes really good. That's really good.
Good.
Not gonna try the
I
other
can
flavor.
taste the melon. It's like a honeydew or something.
Yeah. We should maybe try the Cheetos here next, or whatever. Not really Cheetos.
Indian Cheetos.
Yeah. It's gonna take a while for me to get down. I don't want these to explode. I think I gotta do it like this. That's you can smell the flavors.
Smells like curry.
I'm still chewing mine for a while. I'm gonna have to spit it out. That was definitely good. So I had to do a little bit of a cut there because we chewed for a really long time, and that would be really boring for you guys. All right, so we're gonna try this.
Try these Indian. I keep calling them Indian Cheetos because they're from India and they look just like Cheetos.
Yeah, they really do look like Cheetos.
Ooh, oh. I like these.
Oh, no, a little spicy.
They're not spicy. They're just like a tiny.
I left it on my tongue, so that's my fault. These are good, actually.
I like that.
Wow, these are definitely good. I highly recommend these. If you can. The flavor is really robust. It's a little spicy, has a kick to it. It has a lot of different like curry. Like I don't know what other flavors those are actually. Is she gonna knock that over? Okay. Just a whole lot of flavors bursting out of that one little pack. Like you know, see how they got a whole bunch of little spices and stuff. You can use that as a reference basically. All right, so I'm gonna wash this down with my arm in front of her face. I'm gonna wash this down with this orange Coke here. Ooh, that smells good right away. Actually, it's kind of gone now.
It smells like Coke.
I don't know if it was the chip that's throwing me off or not. I might have to take 2 drinks of that.
I don't taste any orange. I don't taste orange.
It tastes better than just a regular cola, though. To me, at least. I get it a little bit as an aftertaste, but
I don't get any orange.
We might have to come back to this. The spices might be throwing us off a little bit, so we got time for just a couple of more. So definitely gonna do this one. We already did this. I don't think we really need to do this one.
That sounds good.
All right, we'll do this one then.
No, that's just like I feel like it's
a
just
wafer.
like chocolate wafer or something.
Maybe one of these. I mean, we're definitely doing these right here. You really want that, huh?
I don't know. There's multiple pops in here. I think there's 3. Oh, there's 10 pieces.
Oh, wow, okay.
How are there 10 inside?
Maybe they're really thin.
Oh, yeah, they're really thin, but how? They make it look like you can eat it like a fruit roll-up. Like you roll it up and they're like a little tube.
I kind of want to try that. I think we should.
You don't like mango.
I don't care. I want to try.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Smaller than I thought they'd be.
Super thin. Really...
Mexico always has the most, like, interactive stuff. Like, last time we had those lollipops with the glow sticks in them from Mexico.
Yeah. Super quirky.
And then, it's like a fruit roll-up. You're peeling off the little thing.
Oh, wow, that's cool. Oh, my gosh, you're right.
Oh, now it's all stuck together.
Amateur.
You're supposed to, like, push the plastic, like, pull the plastic, and then it sticks to itself, the candy does.
I thought you were supposed to take the stick and pull it off.
No. Did you see the instructions? Oh, it's a mess. It's melty is a problem.
Let me try.
Oh, it's all sticky.
We're gonna get a little bit off anyways. There we go. So, there you go.
I told you you're not supposed to take the pop off like that.
Oh, I stuck my teeth. Really bad.
Oh.
It's really tasty. It's stuck on every crevice of my teeth now, though. Let me try. Wow. Very difficult. It's very tasty. It could be fun.
It is really good. It doesn't taste like mango, though.
Not
it
at
tastes
all.
like
Pineapple?
pineapple. It tastes exactly like pineapple.
Yeah. Like the pineapple gummies you guys get from like a Haribo or something like that. That's really... It's tasty, though. I thoroughly enjoy that. Sorry, so we got really short time left. I know we're going to eat these. Which one of these 2 do you want besides this?
I want to try these icy.
Okay.
These sound good.
These just are like...
Oh, actually, these are cherry. I don't like cherry.
Yeah. We'll try this real quick. We're running out of time. The video's been very long. Alright, this is the...
Cornflakes covered in milk chocolate.
Yeah.
I don't see how these ones would be good.
I know. I just wanted to eat them.
I think it's a mango.
Oh. I don't like the chocolate very much, though.
Do you see the brand on the back?
I hate you so much.
Bimbo.
I've been looking for this bread, Sunbeam bread, that's in Indiana, all the time. Unfortunately, there's this brand called Bimbo that looks just like it packaging-wise. So every time we go to the grocery store and I'm thinking there's gonna be Sunbeam bread, I'm so excited. Wing's like, MeowYun's like, oh, there it is, right there, honey, right there. And I get all excited, and it's a Bimbo bread with a stupid smiling bear. I don't want Bimbo bread. I want Sunbeam bread. Oh, damn you.
These are good.
I'm not a fan of chocolate that much.
You're not a fan of chocolate or this chocolate?
That one.
Oh.
Maybe this will taste better now.
It's because American chocolate tastes so much different than everywhere else.
You're totally right about that.
We're not used to chocolate from other places. Tastes pretty good though.
Still not getting the orange out of this one. Give it a shot.
Mm.
I haven't had soda in a really long time, so I could be just thoroughly enjoying this because it's soda. Alright, so last two options, real quick. You don't like cherry, this could be sticky.
This is gonna make a mess because they're really melty because it's really hot in New York right now.
Right, right. You want
So
to
they're really squishy.
just do the icy then?
I want to try it, but it seems like it's gonna make a mess.
I don't mind a mess. No.
I don't want to make a mess.
Alright. You've got to be kidding me. These are also made by Bimbo.
That's not Bimbo.
Alright, so this is our last one. These are the icy things. She doesn't like cherry,
But I'm
but
gonna eat it.
she's gonna give it a try.
They look like little. They look like those berries that you get off of those bushes. That you're not supposed to eat.
Wow, this tastes just like it.
I like it.
I like cherry. This is really, really tasty. Now, I really want to keep eating these.
I hate cherry.
I do hate cherry, but
It's like medicine.
does it taste like the icy though? Yeah.
It tastes like the icy, which I hate.
Well, she's a trooper. Alright, so that's it. Unless you wanted to try one more thing, either that. If you want me to get one of these out or that, we can do it real quick. Because you want to end it on a
No.
gross one. Alright.
That's okay.
Alright, guys. Well, that is our July munch pack. Lots and lots of good stuff. Wasn't really successful with a few things. She didn't like the cherry icy, so you really gotta like cherry.
I think the winner here is these Cheeto looking things that are kind of spicy, chili, or something.
I think I'd have to agree. For the crunchy factor, a close second if you want some sweet candy would be this. But if you're looking for that crunchy, savory, that's a really good chip. I haven't had a chip that good probably since Japan, so I highly, highly recommend those. Other than that, we are good to go. Sorry this video is enormously long. It's probably gonna be like 17, 18 minutes by now, and if you made it this far, you get a grand prize. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, well, thank you guys all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And as always, thank you for the lovely MeowYun coming to help us out with this eating, if you will. And I will see you guys all possibly next week. Adios, Meow.
Bye.